Hello, welcome back once again. Let's continue with our tutorials. So in our previous lesson, we learned how to create pages. So in these tutorials, we are going to learn how to create categories. So to create categories, we go to Post. Go to Post, put your mouse pointer on Post, and then you see categories. So you click on categories. Okay, so we have the default one uncategorized, but we want to add our own categories. So here, you add the categories that you want to use. So first, I'm going for education. Then come down and click on add new category. Okay, and then I will also be blogging on entertainment. So I'll say entertainment, and then you add new category. Then I will also be blogging on sports. Then I'll add it. Then I will also let's say tech or ICT. So let me make it technology. Then let me add one more. I'll go in for political or politics. Okay, and then I'll add it. One thing that we have to know is when you want to enter into blogging, please just blog on what you like. Don't just go in because you want to make money, so you'll be blogging on a lot of things. If you want to blog on, let's say, sports, you blog on sports. Like for instance, when you visit let me say Chelsea. Off my data, sorry. Okay, so let's say you want to blog on any website, any blog. Make sure you blog on what you are passionate for, what you like enjoying doing. So someone can say, I'm blogging on a lifestyle, I'm blogging on sports, I'm blogging on only entertainment, and all the news that the person put on his website is about entertainment. That is what I'm talking of. So don't just go in for blogging because you want to make money. So you'll be doing political, tech, sports, entertainment, and what have you, everything. Because Google look at all these things in order to accept your website, right? Okay, so now we'll use only this for our categories. Now let's look at how to create menus. When we talk about menus, when you go to our website, for instance, you see there's nothing here. We don't have anything here. So when we talk of menu, these are what we call menus. This one. So when you look at this blog website, for instance, the person is blogging about Chelsea news, only Chelsea news. So things related to Chelsea news and other sporting activity is what the person is blogging on. So you see latest news, features and results, team news, injury news, podcast, newsletter. So these are what we call menus, and that is what we are going to learn how to create a menu like this. Good. So to when we talk or to create a menu, the first thing that we will do is to go to appearance. So let me go to our dashboard, and then go to appearance. So when you put your mouse cursor on appearance, you see the pop-up menu here, and then you see menus. You click on menus. Then under the name, menu name, you give it a name. I always use main menu, so let me go in for main menu, and then we are using, we want to, where we want it to be located. So we have the header and then the footer. So you select header, and then you click on create. You click on create menu. Okay, so here I don't want this and this to appear, so I will select the general news and then add it to the menu. Okay, and then now when you click on view all, no, not here, come to categories, here categories, and then select view all. So we are going to select all of this and then unselect this one, and then we add it to our menu. So click on add to menu and it will be added. So here, these are our what we want our website to show or to appear on the menus. So we have our general news, which I'll be using as my home page, and what else? So how you want it to appear? So general news, education, entertainment, politics, sports, tech. Okay, I think I prefer this one. If you want maybe sports to come, just click on it and then drag it up like that. But I prefer to maintain this like this, and then you click on save menu. Now let's go to our back end and refresh the page and see what will happen. Okay, so see our website now shows the menus and then so this is what we call the menus, right? So how you arrange it is what will appear here. How you arrange it here, how you arrange it here is what will appear here. As you can see on this website, the person arranged it, latest news, features, and like blah 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 blah. So this is the same thing that will appear here. So this is how I want it to be. Now let's look at something. When you click here, when you click on the Noka blog, you see we are still on the home page, but when you click on general, and you look at this, you see there's general news over there. We don't want that. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard, and then under settings, go to readings. Go to readings. Here we have your latest post. So we are going to change it to a static page. Okay, so when we click on this, we select this one. We want the general news to be our home page, so we select it, and then here okay, there's one thing that I have to add. Let me add that one. So let's go to pages. Let me go to pages and then add a new page. Okay, so let me see, I want this. Latest news. Okay, to be my next page, so you click on publish, then publish. Okay, so now let's go back to our dashboard and then go to menus go to set appearance and then menus, then click on latest post and add it to the menu. Okay, so I want it to be under the latest news, or I want the latest news rather to come first, and then click on save. Now let's go to our back end and then refresh it again and see. Okay, so now come back to your dashboard and go to appearance, and then we are on the menus. Okay, so what are we? I'm a little bit confused. Okay, yeah, we go back to general. Under the settings, go to readings, and click on the readings. So now we want our home page to be latest news, and then the post page be our general news. Okay, right? And then you go down and then click on save changes. Now when you go to the back end and refresh it, so you see here, when we click on it, we are on latest news. When we click on this one also, we are still on the latest news, right? So our home page, or what we call the latest news, and the logo, when you click on any of them, it will the home page will appear. So we want this one to be our home pages. I would like to end here. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, comment, like, and press on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be able to have it. Thank you for watching, and we'll continue in our next tutorials.